Hey there, I'm going to teach you a really cool trick for making your crochet bobbles. This will make sure that your bobbles are always facing the right side of your work, and you don't have to slip stitch to close off your bobble, ending up with an extra stitch each row. I will do a 5-post bobble. So you'll yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we'll do that 5 times. So this is 1, 2, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2. And we'll do 5. So this is 3, 4, 5. Typical means for completing a bobble would be to yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook and then make a slip stitch. We're not going to do that. We're going to yarn over and pull through all but the last loop on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2, and then keep working. As you can see, the bobble's already facing forward, so you don't need to go through at the end and push all your bobbles so they face the right way. And you only end up with the 1 stitch in the end there. This works no matter what size bobble you're making. For example, my Pruina cable cardigan uses both a 5-post bobble and a 7-post bobble, and the trick works for any size that you do. So let's do the 7-post. We'll yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we do it a total of 7 times. So that's 1, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops is 2, and we'll do it 7 times total. So here's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 for a nice big bobble. Then we yarn over and pull through all but that last loop. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2. And then you continue working the rest of your row as instructed. The bobble's facing forward, and there's no gappy slip stitch on top of your bobble. Thanks for watching, and Valerie, you are a superstar. Thanks for teaching me that awesome trick.